One of my favorite things to do is to take pictures of the corals that are in my saltwater aquarium behind me. And inside this little case is a really neat little device that was sent to me for the purpose of this review. But these opinions are all my own. It's a little macro lens from the Martvsen company that clips onto your phone with a couple of included clips, and it really can change the way your photography comes out in the end. Now this one's pretty neat. The little area where the lens is here slides up and down so you can flip between the wide and the telescoping camera on your phone, and it's just a normal little clippy like that. The second clip that's in here doesn't have the sliding mechanism. It looks just like this. It's just a single little clip and the lens screws right onto it. There's even a little lens cap that you can get to go over the lens to protect it, and a cloth to wipe the lens off to keep it clean. All right, so this is a little 40 to 120 millimeter macro lens. It has a lens cover right there on the front, and right here on the back, it's got another little cover that you peel off of there. If I can just get my fingernail under it, there we go. That little cover comes off of there as well. And then you just take it and you screw it right onto the phone clip, just like that. Clip it to your phone and you're ready to go. Now let's just see. If I hold this up to the camera lens right now, you can see what's going on. And if I put this right up here next to the lens, man, you can really see the detail in that. And that's kind of the point of this. It's for taking shots really, really close. You can see the ridge detail in my fingernails and everything. This little lens does an incredible job, but you do have to be really, really, really close to your subject. So keep that in mind. I think it's great. The shots that I was able to take with it that I'm going to show you right now on the screen look absolutely beautiful. Now keep in mind, the snail that I'm showing you from my aquarium right now is only a ½ inch in size. And this thing makes it look larger than life. So this little lens, just used with a normal smartphone, is going to be able to take some absolutely amazing macro photos for you, and videos too.